Can ChatGPT really transform traditional search engine methods? When anything comes to our mind, Google is the first thing we go to. But more often, we end up not knowing what to ask to find what we want. Artificial intelligence is solving that for you now. But to what extent? Let's see. ChatGPT. OpenAI's search engine platform is set to transform the way we search and find things. In just 5 days of its launch, the app got over 1 million users. Instagram took 3 months to reach the same. But why is the world chatting so much about and on ChatGPT? Imagine asking your friend about something that you want to know about. They would probably Google it too. Now combine that with the fast, smart and infinite knowledge it gained from internet about everything that happened till 2021. After that, it was separated from the internet, limiting its database growth. ChatGPT creates human-like conversations and finds the answer you need to anything in an organized format. ChatGPT is an AI chatbot that has been trained to answer the questions asked or help with the task assigned on the basis of a large database that it uses to generate responses. And how do you use ChatGPT? To get started, visit the ChatGPT website, create your account, access the chat interface, start interacting with ChatGPT. To begin with the conversation with ChatGPT, simply type your message in the text input field and press enter. ChatGPT will then generate a response based on the information it has been trained on. ChatGPT is designed to understand and respond to a wide range of topics, so you can have a conversation about almost anything. ChatGPT generates responses that creates a natural and flowing conversation rather than just receiving pre-written responses. The way ChatGPT gives you search results in the way you want them with the best of its capability is really cool. Well, that's nice, but how trustable is this answer? We can't be sure yet because it often gives wrong answers. It finds the answer to your question to the best of its knowledge and not the latest search result available. AI is quite expensive to run too, even for Google considering the 3.7 billion searches happening every day. It is built on OpenAI, which has the freedom to go wrong here and there. Google also has its own AI chatbots too, and they work great, but are still not available for general public. But why? Because the AI of both ChatGPT and Google, due to its learn, adapt and implement method, can go wrong multiple times. What's shown on Google is not from Google but from a third-party publisher. It's not something Google is saying, but simply showing on behalf of the world. Also, Google has a reputation built over years for its reliance. They can't launch a product which gives wrong answers, not the media attention they would ever seek. Have you tried ChatGPT? Was it useful for you? Do you think that it has the potential to kill Google, the king of knowing everything you don't? Do like this video and let us know in the comment section given below what do you think about this. And do not forget to subscribe to Mobile App Daily.